everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So yesterday mentioned, if you watched the reversal pattern or double bottom video, we talked about there were a lot of potential reversal patterns in a number of the cryptos. Didn't get to get out a lot of videos yesterday. Was very, very busy dealing with some personal issues. So updated those. You should probably go back and watch yesterday's and today's video. There's another one that's about reversal patterns. Then I want to update these specifically. Monero got above the horizontal channel. Now we're watching for stop reduction right around 300, then eventual target 306 to 307. That area is going to be a target. Also ended the clear path. This also did trigger a trend line trade. So there's a horizontal channel and a trend line trade. Trend line trade is not drawn on this chart, but it did trigger, coming down, forming a lot of divergences after this breakdown level right at this key cluster. So that is all done. Major divergences there, and then coming out the other side, rallying back up. So those are the targets on Monero. Let's check in on the daily chart. On the daily chart, back above the rotation zone, which is flat. Key pullback level we're watching for is about 285. That's sort of hooking up. 8 is on the daily if it does pull back, and you can also see up at this 305 to 307 level, there's a major stopping point. If it does get back through there, watch 313 to 320 is major resistance. So at least target and move up your stops if it does rally up there to prevent a bigger pullback again. Some buyers stepping in with the potential hard fork coming up with Monero V. Whether you like it or not, it is going to happen. And whether you want your Monero V coins or not, you are going to get them. Taking a look at Ripple originally double bottom, turning into triple bottom and horizontal channel. Those levels are mapped out here, essentially going to the 93.64 target, poking up to 94.18, but then pulling back. Don't yet have the first cross rotation zone, but catching on, dipping in there, catching on the 21 right now. These targets are all done on a continued rally. Now we're watching for the very key area, 95.33 area, where we have the declining 50 period exponential moving average and a 12.5% GAN cluster. And if we do get through there, about 96.50 area will be the next key target. Let's take a look at Ripple on the daily chart. Fix this a little. So on the daily chart, this area right up here, not yet hitting the 8. That's where the 8's just below this 95.33 area. So that's going to be a very key area. So if you took advantage, did any buying down here, that would be a definite area to raise your stops, because we can easily go back in here and still rotate that back down. Next major level, should we get through this 96.50 area, we'll be watching for about 98.20, and then the declining 21 EMA. The rotation zone is still against this on the daily, and we don't yet have the 4-hour rotation zone in our favor, so we're still in very cautious mode with Ripple. So what we have for you on Monero and Ripple, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.